Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. There is one warning for today and it covers much of western South Africa where we expect it to be a hot, dry and gusty afternoon, and for this reason there is a potential for runaway fires to develop over that area, and that extends all the way through to the southern coastline. Let's take a look at the synoptic analysis for today, and after a cloudy start in the far eastern parts along with a bit of light rain or a few showers along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, things will be clearing out as the day goes on. This afternoon will once again bring partly cloudy conditions into the central interior, while in the west it's going to be mostly sunny and dry, and it's going to be a very hot day in particular for the southern Karoo. A cold front is approaching while a low pressure system is moving away from the coastline, and the combination of the two of these brings in a good onshore flow towards the south coast, and by later tonight we could have some light rain settling in to that region. That's also shown on our rainfall map for today. There we see evening rain extending from about the southern peninsula all the way through to about Mossel Bay. Much of that rain will be taking place very late this evening. Along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, a couple of light showers at first, as I've already mentioned, but that area should be clearing out by late afternoon. A look at your temperatures, and it's going to be a warmer day for the northern parts of the country. Mahikeng, Pretoria and Bombela all reach a maximum of 26. Warmer conditions as well into KwaZulu-Natal, 27 for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, while some areas in the Eastern Cape are going to become very hot. Along the east coast, we have northeasterly winds from Richards Bay all the way through to Port Elizabeth. A hot day for Algoa Bay, 31 degrees as a high for PE. Over the southern interior, we have extremely hot conditions for this afternoon, climbing well into the upper 30s all across the region. And along the coastline, it won't be quite as hot, but temperatures are still going to climb above 30 degrees for the garden route, but a southwesterly wind will start cooling things down later this afternoon. Easterly swells coming in with a height of about 2.5 meters. Another hot day for the Northern Cape. Sutherland climbs to a maximum of 31 degrees, while towards the west coast it's certainly going to be cooler than it was yesterday, but some places are still going to be fairly warm, high 20s and low 30s for much of the region. Moderate southerly to southwesterly winds in the forecast. High tide in Table Bay coming in just after 3 o'clock. A look ahead to tomorrow, when it's going to be cloudy and wet along the south coast, and the rain's going to make its way up the eastern coastline during the afternoon and evening hours. No rain over the interior of the country, while Cape Town will be mostly clear at 24 degrees, but windy weather expected for the Cape Town cycle tour. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a good Saturday.